Welcome everybody to MoRat Nation. I'm Bob Carmichael and let's get started. Morning cough and congestion from CPAP. I had a lot of trouble getting used to my CPAP machine. I am a mouth breather and my nose has a tendency to clog up when I lay down. Most mornings I wake up with a very dry and sore mouth and throat. After my first cup of coffee, I began to cough up large amounts of snot from my throat. Sometimes I would go through a whole box of Kleenex every week. I tried a large variety of possible solutions. I tried many different types of CPAP mask. The mask that worked the best was the Amara View full face mask. It didn't leak air and stayed in place when I turned over at night, but it did not solve the dry and congested throat problem. I tried over-the-counter nose sprays and prescription drugs from my CPAP doctor. The one that worked the best was Flonase, but it did not solve the dry and congested throat problem. I tried raising the humidifier setting on my CPAP machine to a much higher level. Surprisingly, this made my morning snot problem much worse. I tried a whole variety of natural supplements like quercetin and special breathing exercises. I even talked to a doctor about jaw surgery. And then by accident, I found the answer. At our favorite restaurant one night, I had a meatloaf that gave me heartburn all evening. Before I went to bed, I mixed a half teaspoon of baking soda into some water and drank it. I belched twice and went to bed. The next morning, no snot. Nothing. I know that this is not really longevity or life extension, and it probably only affects a small number of people. But it sure made a big difference in my life, so I thought I would pass it along. One caution about baking soda. Your stomach needs to be acidic in order to absorb vitamins and nutrients. You need to be healthy. So avoid overdoing it with baking soda. I have no connection of any kind with any of the products mentioned. All of these videos are available in a playlist at the end of this video. Be sure and click on it because finding playlists on YouTube can be difficult. It is much easier to find it in your history file. Also join the nation. Click on the MoRat on the right. And thanks for watching.